Hey everybody, we're out at Wesley Clover Parks checking on the beehives that are part of our Hive Share program. They are all alive and well. I will show you. They're flying in and out, taking cleansing flights, and
bringing in water.
They're bringing in water. Say hi, Matt.
They smell delicious.
You mean the hives or the bees?
The hives.
I don't know. I find bees in the springtime sometimes are a bit smelly. It's about 4 degrees maybe? 4 degrees Celsius, so not very warm. There's still snow in the woods. Here they are.
This one too.
Nine out of 9 alive, so that is just amazing, amazing, amazing news. Ontario loses about 25 to 30% of beehives over the winter, so it's just so nice that they're all alive. Even these ones where they're not flying around, if you look.
Oh, I got some bee poop on my finger.
Yuck. You wouldn't believe how bad bee poop smells. All right, well, that's great. Pretty excited. See you all soon.